example, the nature is very different, and there are a lot of parks in the city and a lot of sun. It's pretty hot here, and yes, these are the main differences.
Are people in Ecuador kids are friendly?
Yeah, they're very friendly. Like, it depends, but normally I would say that they're friendly.
How would you compare Ecuador from your country?
The main differences are, for example, because they speak different and they think different. And the food is very different because here they eat a lot of rice, and in Germany we never eat rice, or just a little bit. And the nature is different, the weather is very different because here there's a lot of like sun and it's very hot. And what else? The beer.
How long will you stay?
I'm going to stay in Ecuador 1 year.
Do you have contacts to your friends?
Yeah, I have a lot of contact with my friends from Germany. We always write on WhatsApp and we use Skype and stuff like that. And with my mother I'm writing always like email. So I'm staying in contact with them the whole time. I keep in touch.
Is it difficult to speak Spanish?
Yeah, in the beginning it was very difficult because it's very different than German, and I had to learn it like I never had classes of Spanish, so I had to learn it. And in the beginning I didn't understand anything, and now it's getting better and better, and I can make conversations and I can talk and I can say what I want. But in the beginning it was pretty hard for me.
I like go to the beach.
Yeah, I really love it. I love to swim.
In Ecuador, I would like.
Yeah, I never went to the beach here, but I really want to go.
Until when do you stay?
I'm going to stay until July.
I like to go in Ecuador.
Yeah, I would like to regress. I think I'm going to come back in 1 year with my mom.
What do you say to friends about Ecuador?
Well, I would say that here there is a lot of sun, and that's the main reason why they would come. Because in Germany, one thing we don't have